Okay, I had to go to straight video here. I lose the cell signal right here. I'm at Valley of the Falls, turn off. I'm going up toward Angelus, so it's now Highway 38. They're letting residents up with ID. Man, the sun's out. Bright as hell. Yeah, you get snow blindness. Oh, we got rocks, or is that snow? I want to say that's going to be probably rocks. That is rock. You be careful. You're going to have, with this snow melting, you're going to, man, I got to get to sunshade over here. I haven't used the sunshade in like 7-8 days. But as you can see, the roads are really good right here. That sun is, I had 41 degrees. I got 37 now. But it's, the Caltrans guys, the county guys and the contractors, they've done a hell of a job. And they're long days and nights for them. Give them a wave when you see them, because they've really kept these roads with the rocks off, and now the snow. This looks like that guy's stuck. United Rentals, he's probably, whoa, there's some Rockies right there. Oh, his windshield's covered with snow. I wonder if he got broke down right there. Yeah, I think he's broke down. Or he had to leave it, had to abandon it there, because there's about 10 inches of snow on top of his windshield. So it's been sitting there for a couple days at least. Yesterday I was up here at Forest Falls. It was blizzard, sideways snow. It was, it reminded me of Iowa, as we say it. Iowa, the plains blizzards, just sideways whiteout. See if these guys are all right. I got my tools and pulled one guy out Bryant Street in Ukaipa, and then we found one broke down or stuck in a ditch yesterday, but I waited. But you guys all right? You good? Yep. They're just being smart, taking them chains off. You don't want to roll on chains on this pavement like this. Yeah, they're taking chains off. He's got his in a little bucket there. I wanted to ask him, did they let you down from Big Bear?
Not officially.
Oh, no, seriously. I'm a reporter. We're trying to figure out if there's an avalanche up there.
No avalanche.
At Jinx Lake around there? No?
Everything was fine. I mean, it's just not plowed all the way for 2 lanes.
But you did come down from Big Bear?
Yeah. There was a road closed sign at the top.
Yeah?
But a bunch of people went around, so.
You guys are going around it? There's no Chippy or Caltrans there?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Not at the top.
Where would you call the top? The Onyx? Fish Hatchery Road?
It was like a couple miles past Fish Hatchery Road.
Down into Sugarloaf, kind of down in there?
Yeah.
Okay,
Right
thanks.
Sugarloaf, yeah.
Thank you. Well, there's the word. It's not blocked. I need to get up here and I'll put the word out that it's they went around the road close sign, which you ain't supposed to do, but I don't want to say I don't want to put that out. Well, I'm putting it out now on this, because then everybody and their brother will and I guess they said it's really narrow. It's not plowed real good. I'll get up here and I'll call Dave and let him. Dave was going to go up and look, but that's cool, because then I can go up higher, for video. I haven't been up here since the blizzard hit. It was just too crazy. It was white out. You don't want to drive off the mountain. It was white out and rocks were coming down, and it was dark when I was up here. It was not the most ideal. I was hoping today would be a little clearer so you could see during the daytime, and the road's a little bit better. I really didn't want to chain up, but I went to chain up that one time, and I thought, man, it's late, and you get stuck up here if there's a bunch of people sliding a ditch, and they've had 20-30 car wrecks up here. Basically, people stuck on the hill by South Fork of the Santa Ana River. They get on there and they slide in the ditch, and then I've seen fist fights up there where people couldn't move. And I spent the night there one time. I had my sleeping bag and all my gear. I'm all geared up for. I got a beacon on me, a PLB, sleeping bag, winter sleeping bag, sleeping mat, my coffee, my stove, some food. Make sure everybody's okay. Yeah, it seems like they're coming down. Whoa, there's a lot of... I don't think the restaurant's going to be open. I'm going to pull in here and get the word out that there is no evidence. Some people post crap and they have no source, good source. They just, well, I think, or maybe, and it's like, come on, unless you got a good source, especially like on a fatal, on an accident or a shooting, or gunshots. You know, there's 99% of them are firecrackers. At least for Redlands, Highland, UK, but San Bernardino, maybe 80%, 75, 60. But when you say gunshots, it panics people, and then it turns out to be a backfire of a car or firecrackers. And 99% of them are firecrackers. People see it. We've had people, even when a cop says, you know, on the scanner, they'll say, it's fireworks, I saw them. People say, no, I know gunshot sounds. I'm a gunshot expert. Those were gunshots. And you got 10 people saying, no, we saw the fireworks go up in the air. But we've got more fireworks experts in this county than I've ever seen. Not fireworks, gunshot experts. It'll still be a little slushy in spots. The north side up here, there's going to be the challenge. The north side of the mountain where the sun doesn't hit it. In fact, it's 2:30. I got 3 hours, so it starts freezing. Well, it's 35 here. It could be freezing up. Oh, as you get up higher, stay on your side of the road like this guy. Come on, get over, bud. You got plenty of room to stay on that side. Oh, look at it. See the snow coming down? How the chunks will fall out in the road. Yeah, take it slow up here. But I got a feeling that word's getting out about that. There's nobody manning that check, I guess. They said it was past fish hatchery. I didn't ask for downbound or up down. That would make a difference. Onyx Peak would be a challenge. You know, if you're gonna come down, I would do it today because before dark. That doesn't make sense. Why are they got the bottom blocked? You would think they would block it unless they're letting them. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. If the roads are that bad, they can't let people up, but residents. Why are they? He's watching that fog line. He probably didn't even see me. We're coming into Angelus Oaks. Now I got a lamp out light on the dash. Come on, vehicle. Hang with me. We're almost there. One more day. Yeah, I wonder if the parking lot's even open. I doubt they're open. Wow, look at the snow. They may be open. I see some. They're open. Teresa's open. Look at the mounds of snow. I'm going to stop the video here and I'm going to do a live piece, so I'll get this uploaded. See ya. I'm in Angelus Oaks. See ya. Thanks for watching.